If you use Fusion 360 with a personal license, you've probably encountered limitations in the CAM module. You can't post-process programs with tool changes, and watermarks appear in the G code. SmartPost is a free add-on that solves these problems. It offers automatic tool changes, clean G code without watermarks, a convenient interface for working with NC programs. The add-on uses built-in Fusion 360 features and doesn't violate any license agreements. All it does is extend the standard post-processing mechanism. SmartPost is perfect for hobbyists who want more from the personal version of Fusion 360, and for post-processor developers, the source code is open for learning and improvement. Important: SmartPost works on Windows only. To install, just download the add-on, link it in the Scripts and Add-ins window, and click Run. It takes less than a minute. Link in the description. Try it out and share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel and unlock even more ways to automate your work in Fusion 360.